And my family and I are Star Wars fans. So back in fall of 2020, of course I had to make some child holiday 3D prints. And at that time, we didn't know that his name wasn't Baby Yoda and that it was Grogu. But these were fun to make. And to add a little force effect to them, they glow in the dark. I actually don't have any video from when I printed these, so I've got a slideshow of some of the pictures, and then a few more videos of the models themselves. So use the timestamps in the description if you want to hop around. Thanks for watching, and may the Force be with you. So for trick-or-treating, I thought Grogu wouldn't be complete without some Beskar treats for his pumpkin. I also printed these in glow-in-the-dark and just made a few. And I have thought about trying to print this model a little bigger so that I could actually use the pumpkin that he's holding as a candy bowl at Halloween. So maybe that'll be a future project. I can turn them around here so you can see all sides of them. And let's take a look at him once again as a green Force Ghost. Now we have the Holocron gift-bearing version of Grogu. I did print this version a little smaller. If you watch through the slideshow of the trick-or-treat Grogu, I actually used 2 rolls of filament to make that one larger. This Santa Claus version I made with only a single roll of filament. And here he is as a blue Force Ghost.